Take out the machine and its accessories. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with a spare one. Install filter. There are 4 small rubber rings and 2 larger rubber rings on the filter, which can be replaced with spare ones when necessary. Please note, install the filter correctly. If it is not inserted fully into the hole, air may get in and there will be no vacuum. Install the holder. Connect the stone 8-polar RF handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone Photon Microcurrent handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone RF and suction handpiece to the machine. Connect the stone vacuum and cavi handpiece to the machine. Press stone vacuum and cavi function button. Set parameters. Time range is 0 to 60. 15 minutes on each area is recommended. Suction range is 0 to 60. Adjust it according to individual endurance. Vacuum. Suction time range and the release time range is 0 to 2. Both can be freely adjusted. When release time is not 0 and suction time is longer than release time, the handpiece is at suction and release mode. When release time is 0, the handpiece is at constant suction mode. Cavi anise level range is 0 to 10. 2 to 7 is recommended. The higher the anise level is, the stronger the tinnitus sensation will be. Cavi mode selection, constant working mode and discontinuous working mode. The former is recommended. The cavi function of the stone vacuum cavi handpiece can be used alone. You just need to detach the vacuum cup and then set the parameters of cavi function. Press stone 8-polar RF function button. Parameter recommendation. Set time at 15 minutes and anise level at 2 to 7. Mode selection. Lower mode. The anise of the handpiece directly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed. Pro mode. The anise of the handpiece slowly reaches preset level after stop button is pressed and the handpiece touches skin. Press the stone RF and suction function button. Set parameters. Set timer at 15 minutes. Suction, constant suction mode. Suction and release mode. Adjust the suction level according to individual endurance. RF, 2 to 7 NS level is recommended. Normal mode is recommended. Choose Stone Photon Microcurrent function button. Parameter recommendation, set time at 15 minutes and NS level at 2 to 7. Mode selection, constant working mode, discontinuous working mode. The former is recommended. There are 4 buttons on the handpiece. Wave, light with a certain color flashes. Mode or on, change the color of the flashing light or turn on the light. Auto, lights with multiple colors flash cyclically. Off, turn off the light.